Your SOLIDWORKS designs aren't just about structure, they're about performance in the real world. Air, fluid, and thermal forces are always in motion, and if you don't account for them early, they can ruin even the best designs. How do you predict product behavior before a single prototype is built? Embedded directly into SOLIDWORKS, Flow Simulation puts the power of computational fluid dynamics right at your fingertips. From idea to insight, let's take a look at how Flow Simulation helps you design with confidence, clarity, and speed. Valve performance is all about precision. Tiny pressure drops, turbulence, cavitation can ruin performance or cause premature failure. Define key parameters such as analysis type, fluid properties, and initial conditions to set up the study using an intuitive wizard. Powerful GPU rendering capabilities allow you to visualize fluid flow through complex valve geometry and get more granular insights into critical areas. Test multiple opening positions, simulate transient flow, and validate sealing under pressure, all before a single prototype is machined. Pumps need to do one thing well: move fluid efficiently. Simulate inlet conditions, rotating impellers, and fluid recirculation zones to spot inefficiencies early. Capture the impact of rotating region components like impellers or fans on the flow field. Create design studies so you can simulate different flow rates to ensure your design holds up across a full performance curve. With dynamic visualization tools, you can watch fluid paths, expose pressure losses, and stagnation points that would otherwise be hidden. Heat exchangers thrive on thermal efficiency. Without it, they fail. Model fluid flow and heat exchange across surfaces, whether it's air to air, liquid to liquid, or something more advanced. Evaluate how temperature changes can affect performance, optimize baffle design or tube arrangements, and simulate different materials or flow rates to find the most efficient design fast. No more overbuilt designs, only data-driven efficiency. Overheating kills electronics, but designing effective cooling doesn't have to be guesswork. Test natural or forced convection, fan curves, and even thermal radiation inside electronic enclosures. Select fans, circuit boards, 2-resistor components, and other electronics from a built-in library. Simulate heat transfer across PCBs, chips, and heat sinks. Identify hotspots and airflow bottlenecks in seconds, ensuring components operate within safe temperature limits. Aerodynamics affect everything from thrust on drones to drag on vehicles. Simulate wind tunnel conditions around any shape. Evaluate lift, drag, wake regions, and surface pressures. Optimize geometry for performance, efficiency, or stability, all inside your design environment. From high-tech to aerospace industries, if it moves through air, water, or any type of fluid, SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation shows how it performs. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation helps you simulate reality so you can deliver products that perform under pressure, temperature, and in motion. Whether you're designing electronics, HVAC systems, valves, pumps, or even drones, Flow Simulation gives you the confidence to make design decisions based on data, not guesswork. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's built right into your SOLIDWORKS workflow. From idea to insight, design better, simulate smarter, and build with confidence. To learn more, contact your local SOLIDWORKS partner.